Beginner's Guide to Using a Fitness Tracker. Using a fitness tracker for weight loss tips and tricks. Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Cheryl Adams. Hello. Please like, share and subscribe to stay in the loop. Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to use a fitness tracker. Fitness trackers are a great tool for anyone who wants to keep track of their fitness goals and progress. In this video, we'll cover the basics of using a fitness tracker so you can start tracking your progress right away. Let's get started. Number 1, getting started. The first step to using a fitness tracker is to download the companion app on your smartphone. Most fitness trackers require an app to be downloaded in order to use them. Once you have downloaded the app, you will need to create an account and sync your fitness tracker to your smartphone. Number 2, set up your goals. The second step is to set your goals, people. This is important. It will help you keep track of your progress towards your fitness goals, such as the number of steps you want to take in a day, the number of calories you want to burn, or the distance you want to run. Number 3, wear your fitness tracker, beautiful people. Most fitness trackers can be worn on your wrist like a watch. Make sure that it is snug, but not too tight. You want to make sure that the fitness tracker is in contact with your skin, as this will allow it to accurately track your movement and activity. Number 4, start tracking. Now that your fitness tracker is set up and you're wearing it correctly, it's time to start tracking your activity. Your fitness tracker will automatically start tracking your activity as soon as you start moving. Yes. You can check your progress throughout the day on the app and see how close you are to reaching your goals. Step 5, review your progress. At the end of the day, I check my steps. Review your progress regularly. This will help you to see how far you've come and where you need to improve. Most fitness trackers allow you to view your progress on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. You can also use the data to adjust your goals and make sure that you are on track to achieving your fitness goals. And that's it, beautiful people. These are the basic steps on how to use your fitness tracker. By using a fitness tracker, you can keep track of your fitness progress and make sure that you're staying on track to achieve your weight loss goals. Remember to wear your tracker regularly, set achievable goals, and review your progress regularly. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed, my people.